Good day, everybody. Welcome to Simple AI Solutions. And this is the YouTube edition. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can basically generate your YouTube video script ready to start putting things together and getting your video uploaded. In the full course, we're going to cover everything from your script to the creating the video, the title, description, SEO tags, everything that you need, even down to creating the thumbnail. So let's get started. So there'll be a video prompt. There'll be a prompt underneath this video, and it will be highlighted in blue the information to change. So I'm going to put in gaming blog. Generate and engage in 15-minute YouTube video script about gaming blog for my gaming blog. I'm going to say. Using a listenable voice and unique writing style. Use your internet to research trends, and there we go. You can read that, just pause the video. I'm going to hit enter just to save wasting time. And it's going to generate that for us. It's searching the web, doing the research. Searching for some trends for this current year. And it's going to generate the script for us. There we go. Those clips may be difficult to get hold of. I'm just going to let it continue generating the content for us. And here's our hashtags. Here's our caption. What we're just going to ask it now is to generate the other elements for me, which is a capture title, thumbnail image, call to action, and links. I don't know what that thumbnail's about, just ignore that. But the title, what's hot in gaming 2023 top trends. Hey there, before we go, so I'm going to put that at the end of the script. So what I'm going to do now is open a blank document and put the whole script in a Word document. You can do everything I'm doing here with your free Microsoft account. So let's get the video script. And also the information. We're not going to use the okay. So as you can see, we've got our video script. If you're not really following along too much, don't worry. I'll show you how we put this all together in a moment. Yeah, and thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll continue in the next video.